Reading with Teacher Paul, Reading Comprehension A1-A2, Lesson 18, Helicopters and Aeroplanes. Let's begin.
Helicopters and aeroplanes are two types of flying vehicles. Both can travel in the sky, but they are different in how they work. Helicopters have large spinning blades on top. These blades help the helicopter go up, down, and even stay in one place in the air. Helicopters are very useful for short trips, rescue missions, and getting to places without an airport. Airplanes have wings and engines. They need long runways to take off and land. Airplanes are faster than helicopters and are used for long-distance travel. People fly in aeroplanes to go to different cities or even other countries. Both helicopters and aeroplanes are important for moving people and goods quickly from one place to another. Pilots are trained to fly them safely.
Thanks for watching. Visit www.TutorUKABC.com for more fun learning material.